Guys, what's up? It's Playtime with Leanne, and today we're gonna get GHOUL v3. Today we are going to be getting GHOUL Race v3, and it says here the obtainment is pretty hard. Kill 5 players without dying, and I know I can do that if I had a friend too, and I'm still looking for a friend to help me right now, but if I don't ever find a friend, then I will PvP. So first, let's begin. Son of Birth Indra. Train those less unfortunate than I to channel the hidden strength. Okay. Once you defeat 5 players. Okay, now I'm gonna do it. Enable PvP, bro. Enable PvP. Okay, there. Two. Yes, let's go, bro. You're the best. This guy's the best. 3. Come on, man. Come on, man. 3, 2, 1. 4. Yes, thank you. Yo guys, let's go, let's go, let's go! We're about to get the GHOUL Race v3, guys! After so long, yes! Let's go! Yo, this looks so cool, bro! Yo, that looks so awesome! Let's go, guys! There's no way! After so long, bro, let's go! This is the best day ever, guys! Let's go! Let's go! We're the GOATs, man! Ha! Yeah! Yeah! Let's go! Shout out to my friends right here. They're the best and they helped me throughout my journey. Let's go, guys! Yo! Yo, guys! Surprisingly, GHOUL v3 was easier and faster to get than GHOUL v2, unless you have a friend, bro. Just look at that. Okay, I'm gonna trade my friend. I'm gonna trade with my friend, guys. This is my friend. If you want to friend him, his name is Pirate. No, Clarky07731. Now I got GHOUL v3 because of him. Cause just look at this. Bye, guys. I'll see you next time. Let's go.